I am harvesting the potatoes that we planted together about 3 months ago. So potatoes are a quick crop. They say you can grow potatoes in the fall here, but I've tried a couple of times and it hasn't worked for me. So if you plant them in January or February, I think I planted them in late February, they should be ready in about 90 days before it gets too hot here. So you can grow the regular potatoes. Now, don't expect them to be really large russet baking potatoes. We don't have enough of a long season to get that kind of potato. So what I like to grow are more like the new potatoes. And this year with you guys, I planted 4 different types of potatoes that can do well in our area of Austin, Texas, zone 9A. And yeah, they are ready to be harvested. Here I am in the first potato patch, and I can see a lot of them have died down. I'm gonna see if I can just pull them up by what's left of the plant. Okay. Okay, well, I got one. Okay. For me, it would be hard to dig in here with anything other than maybe a hand tool. So I'm going to try and get what I can with just my hands, and then we'll see about getting in a little deeper to find what's left. And you know, if I don't get all of them and they continue growing, I mean, maybe they'll rot or maybe they won't, and maybe they'll start growing more for fall. So who knows? And then while I'm going, I'm going to just chop these up. And this is mulch. It can go wherever you want. And try and work around some of my other plants. Ooh, I got one. This one might be a little too green on top because it was uncovered. We'll see. Oh. I might not even dig them all up because I'm not even sure it's worth it. I'll see what's easiest to get first. I'll see with something like this if maybe I can cut part of that off and continue growing it. We'll see. I don't want to scratch them and ruin the skin, so they wouldn't last as long that way. So I'll try not to nick them, but I am now having to dig a little bit, and I'm using my Cobra head tool. This one is available on the Epic Gardening store. I'll put a link if you're interested to the store, and anything that you want, you can get 5% off with my code LYNSGarden at checkout. I'll go ahead and put that in as well. I am starting to be hovered by tons of mosquitoes, so I'll be right back. Okay, got mosquito spray on now, ready to get back to it. Ooh, I see some. This one looks good. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and chop these up later. I don't have time for this. I gotta harvest these potatoes now. Look at this teensy one. Nah, I don't need to take that one. So now I'm making a pile of my potato cuttings over there that I'm going to chop up to be more chop and drop mulch. Ooh, there's more over here. Ooh, that's a big one. Wow, that's pretty large for a red potato. Nice. I'm going to leave the dirt on there, and that's because they'll stay better if you wait until you're actually going to eat them to wash them. So I will kind of dust them off a little bit more once the soil dries on there, but I'm going to not wash them while I'm storing them. Maybe I'll do another video about curing potatoes, so if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll make that video. Dang, watch out. If you're very impatient like me, I end up hurting myself quite a bit. So yeah, guys, safety first, okay? It's like Christmas. You don't know what you're gonna get until you dig them up. How fun. And I'm using this opportunity to remove a lot of these weeds, and then I'm gonna plant something else. Okay. Yes. This is only one of the varieties so far. And yeah, I'm probably not even going to find all of the potatoes. This is a food forest after all. It's not like a little row system where I just till all the time. I'm just planting new stuff whenever there's a spot available. Look at that. Nice. We're not Maine, but we can grow new potatoes here in Central Texas. Ooh! Another contestant for the smallest potato.